In today's video, we will be discussing about foods that support liver functions. The liver plays a central role in metabolism, including the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It regulates blood sugar levels by storing glucose as glycogen and releasing it as needed. The liver also synthesizes proteins, cholesterol, and triglycerides essential for various physiological processes. The liver produces bile, a digestive fluid that aids in the digestion and absorption of fats in the small intestine. Bile is synthesized in hepatocytes, liver cells, and stored in the gallbladder until it is needed for digestion. Bile salts emulsify dietary fats, allowing them to be broken down by pancreatic enzymes and absorbed into the bloodstream. The liver stores essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron, and copper. These nutrients are stored in the liver and released into the bloodstream as needed to support various physiological functions, such as vision, bone health, and red blood cell production. The liver plays a vital role in the body's immune response by detecting and neutralizing pathogens, toxins, and foreign substances. It contains specialized immune cells called Kupffer cells, which engulf and destroy bacteria, viruses, and other invaders. The liver also produces immune proteins called acute phase proteins, which help regulate inflammation and protect against infection. The liver has a remarkable ability to regenerate and repair itself after injury or damage. It can regenerate lost or damaged tissue by proliferating hepatocytes, liver cells, and restoring normal liver function. This regenerative capacity allows the liver to recover from injuries such as drug-induced liver injury and surgical resection. Our liver is a powerhouse organ responsible for detoxifying harmful substances, metabolizing nutrients, and maintaining overall health. By incorporating certain foods into our diet, we can support the liver's natural detoxification process and promote optimal liver health. Join me as we explore 9 nutrient-rich foods that nourish and detoxify the liver, backed by research evidence. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are rich in chlorophyll, antioxidants, and fiber, which help support liver function and detoxification. Studies have shown that consuming leafy greens regularly can help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds called glucosinolates, which support liver detoxification pathways. Research suggests that these vegetables may help enhance the liver's ability to metabolize and eliminate toxins from the body. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds like allicin, which have been shown to support liver health and detoxification. Studies have demonstrated that garlic supplementation can help reduce liver damage, improve liver function tests, and protect against oxidative stress. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that supports liver health. Research suggests that curcumin can help protect the liver from damage, reduce inflammation, and improve liver function in individuals with liver diseases. 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which support liver detoxification and protect against liver damage. Studies have shown that consuming citrus fruits regularly may help reduce the risk of fatty liver disease and promote liver health. 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and amino acids, which support liver health and detoxification. Research suggests that incorporating walnuts into your diet can help reduce liver inflammation, improve liver function, and protect against liver damage. 7. Beetroot. Beetroot is rich in betalains, antioxidants that have been shown to support liver detoxification and protect against liver damage. Studies have demonstrated that beetroot supplementation can help reduce liver inflammation, improve liver function tests, and enhance liver health. 8. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, which support liver function and reduce inflammation. 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support liver function. They also contain vitamin D, which plays a role in liver health. Conclusion: incorporating these 7 liver-friendly foods into your diet can help support natural detoxification, reduce the risk of liver diseases, and promote optimal liver health. By nourishing your liver with nutrient-rich foods backed by research evidence, you can take proactive steps to protect and enhance the function of this vital organ. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Until next time I come your way, continue to live well.